Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 12.1, question 5 and question 6. The sum is a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cuboidal block, wooden block, such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So here we have got a wooden block. It is cubical wooden block. From that cubical wooden block, they have scooped out a hemisphere, has been scooped out. Here the diameter of the hemisphere, that is the diameter of the hemisphere, is equal to the edge of the cube, that is L. Now we have to find out the surface area of the remaining solid. So here the surface area of the remaining solid means what? The CSA of the hemisphere plus TSA of the cube minus area of the circle. So here diameter of hemisphere equal to L. It is given. The diameter of the hemisphere is L. So radius of hemisphere, is equal to L by 2. So by using the radius R is equal to L by 2. Now we will find the CSA of the hemisphere, that is curved surface area of the hemisphere. So CSA of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. That's equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. What is r? R is L by 2. So L by 2 into L by 2 square. So here one 2 will be cut off from here. Next, this 2 can divide, it will become 11. So what we will get here? L by 2. Here we will not use the value of pi. We will keep pi as pi only. Okay, here the CSA of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. That's equal to 2 pi into L by 2 into L by 2. So here 1 2 will get cut off here. So we'll get pi L square by 2. This is the CSA of the hemisphere, pi L square by 2. Now we'll find the area of the circle. So here a radius of the circle equal to L by 2. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So pi r square, that's equal to pi into L by 2 into L by 2. So we will get pi L square by 2. 4. Pi L square by 2 is 4. Area of the circle is pi L square by 4. Now we will find the TSC of the cube. Now the edge of the cube is equal to L. So TSC of the cube, total surface area of the cube, is equal to 6L square. Now, till now, we have found the curved surface area of the hemisphere, area of the circle, and we have found the TSC of the cube. Then next one, we will find the surface area of the solid, remaining solid. So surface area of the remaining solid is equal to TSC of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus area of the circle. That's equal to TSA of the cube is 6L square. 6L square plus CSA of the hemisphere is pi L square by 4 minus area of the circle, that is CS of the hemisphere is pi L square by 2 minus area of the circle, that is pi L square by 4. Pi L square by 4. Now we will solve it by means of cross multiplication. Put 1 under this. So 1 into 2 into 4, that is 8. Next, 6L square into 2 into 4. You will get 48L square. 6L square into 2 into 4 plus pi L square into 1 into 4. So 4 pi L square minus pi L square into 2 into 1. So 2 pi L square. 2 pi L square. You can see here, first step is 1 into 2 into 4, 8. Next step, 6L square into 2 into 4 plus pi L square into 1 into 4 minus pi L square into 2 into 1. Now we will solve this. Among all these terms, 2 is the common factor. I will take 2, I think 2 L square is common factor. The 2L square, take it outside, see. 2L square, common factor. (24) plus 2 pi minus pi by 8. So here 2 can divide it, so 2 will get cut there. We will get L square into 24. If we solve it, we will get plus pi by 2. So we can write it as L square by 4 into 24 plus pi. So the surface area of the remaining solid is L square by 4 into 24 plus pi. Sixth question. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeters and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeters. Find its surface area. This is the diagram of the capsule. The capsule is in the form of a cylinder. On this side there is a hemisphere stuck to it. Here there is a hemisphere on both sides. The entire length of the capsule is 14 millimeters. The diameter is 5 millimeters. And we need to find the surface area. So the surface area of the capsule means what? CSC of the cylinder, that is curved surface area of the cylinder, plus 2 into CSC of the hemisphere. So here radius of hemisphere, the diameter is 5, so radius will be 5 by 2 millimeters. Now we will find the CSC of the hemisphere. CSC of hemisphere. That's equal to pi r square. 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. That's equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. R is what? 5 by 2. So r square means 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. So what we will get? We will get this 2 will get cut off. 1 2 will get cut off here. This 2 can divide it. 2 11s are. We will get 11 into 5 into 5. That is 11 into 25 divided by 7. That's equal to 275 by 7 millimeter square. The CSA of the hemisphere is 275 by 7 millimeter square. Now we will find the CSA of the cylinder. Radius of cylinder is equal to 5 by 2 millimeters. To find the CSA, we require the height of the cylinder. Height means this distance. We require this distance. So height of cylinder to get the height, we have to subtract the radius of the hemisphere both sides. We have to subtract this part from the total height. So we have to subtract 14 minus 5 because 2.5 this side, 2.5 that side. Total we have to subtract 5 to get the height of the cylinder. So we will get 9 millimeters. The total length of the capsule was 14. We want the height of cylinder. So from the total length of the capsule, we have to subtract the radius of the hemisphere on this side and also from that side. So we have to subtract total 5. Now we will find the CSA of the cylinder. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 5 by 2 into 9, h is 9. So here this 2 will get cut. So what we will get? 22 into 45 by 7. So we will get 990 by 7 millimeter square. So the CSC of the cylinder is 990 by 7 millimeter square. Now, surface area of the capsule is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of cylinder was 990 by 7 plus 2 into 275 by 7. That's equal to 990 by 7 plus 550 by 7. So they are like fractions. Only we can add the numerators. 1540 by 7. That's equal to 220 millimeter square. So the surface area of the capsule is 220 millimeter square. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.